salt. Fry your potatoes. Flip on the other side. So they can cook evenly. I like them golden brown on one side. Throw in your onion to give the flavor. Put that for a few minutes. So the flavor of the onions is changed on the potatoes. The black pepper, oregano, and the thyme. You can adjust your heat as preferred so that you don't burn them. Fry the onions until soft, not golden brown. Then beat your eggs. You can use 3 eggs, 4 eggs, depends on how you want your potato omelette to be. Give them a little stir again. Se aroma it's really nice. So I'm gonna put them together in a way that's when I form my egg. I'll have a contained kind of circular omelette. Might not be circular, but just to keep it in one place. So I think I'm ready to pour my bacon egg. So I'll pour it all over the potatoes. I used only 2 eggs because I had one potato. So I don't want my eggs to, what do I say? I don't want my eggs to be like overtake the potatoes. So, like to grill, we're going to grill them after these. I normally don't shock my grill. Make sure the egg is dry at the top. So you can poke in and run the runny egg inside. But make sure you don't burn the under. It doesn't have to be completely dry because you're going to grill it at the top. And now we're done. So I'm going to switch up my heat, and then I have my cheddar cheese. I'll lay my tomatoes And just to give a little flavor to the tomatoes, I'll sprinkle each with a bit of salt. Just that's enough. And then now, remember you've already put out the you heat, so you sprinkle the cheese enough to cover as much as you want. I love cheese. I love cheddar cheese. That's gonna be yummy. Now we're going to put it in the grill. So I'll put it with the handle slightly outside so it doesn't burn, but it won't burn because the heat will be concentrated here. So we'll put it in the grill. That will take about 5 minutes. That's in my grill. Sizzling. Our omelette is ready. Yeah, looks good. I'll cut my omelette, but not to the bottom. I'm taking care of my pan, so making sure that I don't scratch my pan. Gonna come back for another piece. So that will be my breakfast. So let's try it. I have some ketchup. You can have it as it is without ketchup. Or that's yummy. This will get you started in the morning, keep you full for the whole day. If you like them, that you don't eat lunch, there will be suffice. This is one way of making your potato omelette. I'll show you another way of making it. That is, if you like your omelette crunchy, this is how to make it.